From the land of ice and snow, a Viking appeared in the frozen mist with a chef's knife and a sauté pan. Well, okay, from warm Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, that same Viking, now with thinner blood, brings you a Viking's Kitchen.
Cranberry sauce. Simple, easy, you gotta make it from scratch. Source some great cranberries from Oregon, some of the best. Wisconsin and Minnesota have good ones also. And I'm going to add a little bit of flavor with some lemon zest. Simple recipe, 4 cups cranberries, 1 cup sugar, 1 cup water, a little bit of lemon zest. Very simple, but it makes it so good. It's not processed in a can that's gonna last on the shelf for 2 years. So it's better. It gives you something more, I don't know, when you work with your hands and you put the skill together, it makes it so much better. There's, I guess, love pouring into the pot, and people can taste it when they come to eat. I have washed this lemon and dried it. You don't want it wet when you go to zest it. A little zester. Don't go down into the white of the lemon. Nasty. I mean, the zest is a little bitter anyway. I'm not saying it's super sweet, but when you get into the white of the rind, it's not good. Cranberries into a colander. Washed cranberries. Now, turn this on high and add the water and sugar. The sugar water is boiling, so we're going to add the cranberries. We're going to bring these cranberries to a boil. What's going to happen is they're going to start bursting open. And that's what we're looking for. Then it's going to go for about 5 to 10 minutes after that at a lower heat. Keep it rolling just a little bit. And we're going to add the lemon zest at that point. Oh, they're starting to pop already, listen. Rice Krispies, only it's cranberries. That's the cranberry going, oh, let me out, let me out. Let me give you all this flavor that I've been working on through the year. Food is so exciting, isn't it? As you can see, this is thickening up beautifully. So it's time to add the lemon zest. The lemon zest has been added, and this is going to thicken for another 2 minutes. Then it's going to be ready to put into a bowl. Let cool for a little bit at room temperature. Don't stick it right in the refrigerator. We're going to let it go for, I'd say 30 minutes out at room temperature, 45 minutes. Then we're going to stick it in the refrigerator and let it start cooling for wonderful homemade cranberry sauce. You see how easy that was? Several ingredients, didn't take that long. Make it real and make it your own. I always say, you hear me say that. If I go to someone's house that's a true cook or a true gourmet or above a apprentice chef or a chef, I'm so excited because they're making something that's good and original. And so when you invite people to your house, I always say have a little pride. Make something so good that they go, oh my God, how'd they make that? Oh, I want to go back. That gives you joy. It's called pride. Pride is not a bad thing, especially when it comes to good cooking. When you make cranberry sauce from scratch, you'll see such a beautiful color. When the cranberries burst, I said that you'll never want to use pre-canned cranberry sauce again. It's okay in an emergency, but we're not in an emergency. We're here for Thanksgiving. And kind of like a dessert. That little bit of lemon zest takes it over the edge. There you have it, a Thanksgiving meal fit for a king. And it wasn't that hard. It takes a little bit of time to put all this together, but then you got leftovers for 3 days. How cool is that? Make it for real, make it from scratch, make it your own. We'll see you around.